Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the Moonlight application to your Android TV even if you don't have Google Play Store. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you own an Android TV and you don't have Google Play Store and you want to install the Moonlight app, go over to your browser. Now, if your TV is really an Android TV with an Android operating system, then every option is going to work or every browser is going to work. So go over to your browser and just type in the name of application, which in this case is the Moonlight app. So here's it over here, Moonlight app. I just go ahead and click on it and it is going to bring you here. So you can see there are two options. There's an option here that is from the Google Play Store web version app, and there's another option which is a third-party site. So I'm going to go with the first option or this option that is from Google Play Store. Remember, I don't have the Google Play Store app, but Google Play Store also works on the website, which is why we can use it now to install this application as long as your TV is an Android TV. Please, if your TV is not an Android TV, this wouldn't work. Now, if the first option doesn't work for some reason, they can try out this other option, which is a third-party site, which in most cases will always work, but please just try this as a second option or as a last resort if the first option doesn't work for you. So once you've installed the application, as you can see on my Android TV, you can go ahead and use it without any issues. And that was it about this video. If you find it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe for more important videos like this.